Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Box, Easy English with Julia and Tom, the podcast where we help you understand and speak English more naturally through daily conversations, without pressure. I'm Julia.
And I'm Tom. We're really happy you're here with us today.
In this episode, we're continuing our idiom series, and we're focusing on idioms you hear all the time in real, everyday English.
These are the kinds of expressions native speakers use at work, with friends, and in casual conversations, often without even thinking about it.
And if you've ever heard an English phrase and thought, wait, that doesn't mean what I learned in my textbook, then yes, that was probably an idiom.
Exactly. Idioms don't always mean what the words say, but once you understand them, English suddenly feels much more natural.
Today, we'll look at some very common idioms you hear all the time, like get the hang of it, once in a blue moon, and a lot on my plate.
For each idiom, we'll explain what it means, when people use it, and we'll show you how it sounds in short, natural conversations.
Don't try to memorize everything. Just listen, relax, and notice how these expressions are used.
You can always pause, replay, or come back later. Learning English works best when you take it step by step.
And if you enjoy learning English through relaxed, real conversations like this, don't forget to like the episode and subscribe to the channel.
All right, let's get started with today's idioms.
Let's start with our first idiom, get the hang of it.
Ah, very useful one. And also very honest.
Yes, so get the hang of it means you start to understand how to do something, especially something new.
Usually after a little practice and maybe a little confusion first.
Exactly. For example, you download a new app. At first, you're like, where is everything?
You press the wrong button, the screen changes, and you panic a little.
But after some time, you start to understand it. Then you can say, I'm getting the hang of this new app.
Notice we often use it in the present continuous, getting the hang of it, because learning takes time.
Good point. You don't usually say it on day one.
Unless you're very confident or very brave.
You can use this idiom for many things. A new job, a new language, cooking, driving.
Or even English idioms.
Yes, if you're listening to this and thinking, oh, I understand this now, you're getting the hang of it.
See, you're already using idioms. Nice work.
All right, let's move on to our second idiom, no big deal.
Oh, I use this one all the time. Probably too much.
Same here. So, no big deal means something is not important or not a problem.
It's what you say when you want to relax the situation.
For example, if you're a few minutes late and you say, sorry,
And I answer, no big deal.
that means you're not upset.
Exactly. I'm calm, I'm friendly, I'm not secretly angry.
You can also use it when something small goes wrong.
Like if you make a small mistake at work.
Someone might say, don't worry, it's no big deal.
Very comforting words.
Yes, short, simple, and very natural in spoken English.
Just be careful. Don't use it for serious problems.
Right. If someone says, I lost my passport, you probably shouldn't say,
No big deal.
exactly. Context is important.
But for small things, this idiom is perfect.
Let's move on to idiom number 3, once in a blue moon.
Ah, yes. This one sounds very poetic.
It does, but the meaning is actually very simple.
Once in a blue moon means very rarely, something that almost never happens.
Right. And no, it doesn't mean the moon actually turns blue.
Sadly. That would be fun, though.
We use this idiom when we want to say we don't do something often.
For example, I eat fast food once in a blue moon.
That means maybe only a few times a year.
Or less.
You can also use it for people you don't see often.
Like, I see my old classmates once in a blue moon.
Very natural, very common.
And a nice friendly way to say almost never without sounding too strong.
Exactly. It sounds relaxed, not dramatic.
So remember, if something happens once in a blue moon,
It's rare but not impossible.
just like me waking up early on Sunday.
All right, let's move on to idiom number 4. Go with the flow.
One of my favorites. It sounds very calm already.
It does. Go with the flow means to accept things as they happen without stressing too much or trying to control everything.
So if you don't have a strict plan and you're okay with that, you go with the flow.
Exactly. For example, I didn't plan much. I just went with the flow.
Maybe you're traveling, maybe you're meeting friends and you decide what to do later.
This idiom is often used to describe relaxed people.
Or people who want to be relaxed.
True. It's a very positive expression.
And very common in spoken English.
Now, idiom number 5. No worries.
This one is short, simple, and extremely useful.
No worries means it's okay or don't worry about it.
People often use it to reply to apologies or small problems.
For example, sorry I'm late,
No worries.
or thanks for your help.
No worries.
It sounds friendly, relaxed, and very natural,
You'll hear this all the time in casual conversations.
especially with friends, coworkers, or in service situations.
So if something small happens, spilled coffee, late message, just say,
No worries.
and everyone feels better.
Let's keep going. Idiom number 6 is in the long run.
This one sounds serious.
A little, yes. In the long run means over a long period of time, not just now or today.
We often use it when we talk about habits, plans, or results in the future.
For example, this habit will help you in the long run.
Maybe learning English feels slow now?
But in the long run, all this practice really pays off.
Exactly, so don't give up too early.
This idiom is very common in advice and work conversations. Now, idiom number 7. Make up your mind.
Ah, yes, we use this one a lot.
Make up your mind means to decide.
Especially when someone is taking a long time to choose.
For example, I need to make up my mind soon.
Like choosing what to eat for lunch.
Or choosing which English podcast to listen to.
This idiom can be neutral,
Or a little impatient depending on your tone.
so be gentle when you use it.
But it's very useful in daily conversations. All right, moving on. Idiom number 8 is a lot on my plate.
This one always makes me think of food.
Me too. But don't worry, it's not about eating.
A lot on my plate means you're very busy or you have many things to do.
People often use it at work or when they're feeling a bit stressed.
For example, I have a lot on my plate right now.
That might mean deadlines, meetings, family things, everything at once.
So if someone says this, it's usually a polite way to say, I'm busy.
Exactly. And it sounds more natural than just saying, I'm busy. Now, idiom number 9, on the same page.
A very useful one, especially at work.
On the same page means to agree or to understand something in the same way.
We often use it to avoid confusion.
For example, let's make sure we're on the same page.
That usually means, let's check that we all understand the plan.
Right, not the same page in a book.
If you use this idiom, you sound clear, polite, and professional.
And now, our final idiom for today, number 10, a win-win situation.
This one sounds positive already.
Yes, a win-win situation means something that is good for everyone involved.
No one loses, everyone benefits.
People often use this idiom at work, in business, or when talking about decisions.
For example, flexible hours are a win-win situation.
The company is happy and the employees are happy too.
Exactly. Everybody wins.
If you want to sound confident and professional, this is a great idiom to use.
And it's always nice to talk about situations where everyone wins.
That brings us to the end of today's episode on idioms. Today, we explored 10 very common expressions you hear in real English, at work, with friends, and in everyday conversations.
We talked about idioms like get the hang of it, once in a blue moon, a lot on my plate, and a win-win situation. These are phrases native speakers use all the time, often without even noticing.
The goal isn't to memorize every idiom, it's to recognize them, understand the meaning, and slowly start using them when the moment feels right.
Even using just one new idiom in a conversation is already great progress. Small steps really do add up.
Now it's your turn to practice. Try making one simple sentence using an idiom from today's episode.
For example, I'm getting the hang of English podcasts. Or, I have a lot on my plate this week.
You can say it out loud or write it in the comments. Practice doesn't have to be perfect, it just has to be real.
If you enjoy learning English through calm, natural conversations like this, please like the episode and subscribe to the channel. It really helps us keep creating useful content for you.
Thank you for spending this time with us. Be patient with yourself, trust your progress, and keep learning, one real expression at a time.
We'll see you in the next episode.
See you next time.